can't get over the fact that it's June. Yeah, that means the year is almost over. I'm just kidding. Not yet. Once we hit July, maybe I'll feel more like that. But anywho, today we're doing a different type of project. We are going to fill this vignette by Tim Holtz. So this is an 8.5 by 8.5 box, essentially, and it is for, I don't know, mixed media stuffs. I actually was inspired by May Maynet's channel a while back. They went to the thrift store and picked a piece of junk, essentially, that they upscaled into these beautiful home decor projects. And they used their paper projects to do it. The other thing that has inspired me lately is tunnel cards. So tunnel cards are really neat in the fact that they're kind of 3D. When you open them, it's like a tunnel you're looking through and you see all these things in the tunnel. And so a lot of Mente and Graphic 45 have examples of those kinds of cards because you can cut a lot of different objects out and stick them in the tunnel. So that's what we're actually going to make today. So how I started this process was I took some scrap paper and I cut it down to 8.5 by 8.5 and then cut some circles in it. So I have the Creative Memories circle cutter system, and so I just took the 3 smallest circles and cut them the biggest I could on the outside on scratched paper. I then cut elements out and placed it where I wanted it to be. So this is an example of the yellow, is an example of one of the things that I used. And so it turns out that I actually want to use the yellow to back this. I cut the blue out and posted a little bit on the back. I didn't want to waste paper, so I cut this image out and then was like, oh crap, I still need something to surround it, and I didn't want to use the yellow at this point. So I went ahead and just used the scrap to circle it, because really all you need is about 1 inch around the circle. So I could have even cut this further down, but I decided not to. So that's my back piece. And I am using the Graphic 45 Life is a Journey collection. And so blues, purples, yellows, and reds, that's my color scheme. So this is my back page, and everything is from the Life is a Journey. I then cut out a little lady, and she's facing this way, and I cut a plane and it's facing that way, and a little flourish from the die cut pack. And then you can see on the back I have layered everything with foam. So I made sure to get the outside and the inside circle layered with foam. This bit doesn't really matter because I have this to support it, and this is pretty thick cardstock. So this is actually the original piece that I used to size everything, and that's gonna land kind of like right there. Notice everything is shifted to the left. It's because some weird funkiness happened. So already you can kind of see the tunnel. You can see the red is behind the airplane and this is behind the lady. And then my final piece is going to be this one. So there is my tunnel action. I had a little weirdness going on with the foam, and so I ended up having to double dip this one. So this is actually double adhered because I did this bit and then put this on top, not realizing that this was double on top of my edge here. It is what it is. So this right here is triple foamed because it's going all the way back. This is triple foamed and then double foam and then double foam. Single foam. So you can see here kind of the image that it's making. And you can see how sturdy this is because I have triple foamed it here. So the reason I'm doing this project is because Paper Fun Day Challenge's blog is challenge this month is to use no rectangles and no squares. Well, I kind of had to use a rectangle or square for the base of this, so we're just gonna have to get over it. But I thought it would be a neat time to go ahead and do a tunnel, because I'd seen so much inspiration out there about this technique and I just had yet to try it. So the last piece that I'm adding is this keep moving forward, and it's gonna land right here. It looks like this train is running over a dog. And so I had to find something to cover it. And it's gonna cover right there. And that, my friends, is my tunnel. I think it turned out really cute. I really like the colors in this collection. I love that I picked this to be the first bit. I originally thought I was gonna do black, but that just did not work well. Also, look, so the dimension here, having it double foamed, really helped with the dimension on this piece. So that's my project for Paper Fun Day Challenges Blogspot. Don't forget to go and add your project there for your chance to win some free digital products. I hope you enjoyed this video and it's something a little bit different. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.